I have not cheated in this. It looks like the button is already up. But it is dark outside and it's pretty light. Oh, I got some lag there. I hate lag. And this is where I find all my dumb. I just want to show you around so you know I'm not lying. Oh wait, no, not this one. Oh yeah. See, it's all the useless stuff. I don't know what to do with this, but yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna make a little bed over here so just in case I don't make it and there's like zombies and automatically sleep. And you would have to do parkour, not really. I know what's wrong with this. Just like yeah, so basically, yeah. It's not hard mode right now, cause like when I go mining.
Attendance like a classroom. Man, I ain't got no choice. Cause nowadays I swear shit changing for the boys. I'm self-made.
I left the whole place down.